Hi, welcome my friend. Oculus Quest 2 Advanced All-in-One Virtual Reality Headset, 256 gigabytes. Oculus 2 Quest is our most advanced all-in-one virtual reality system. Yet every detail has been engineered to make virtual worlds adapt to your movements, letting you explore amazing games and experiences with unparalleled freedom. No PC or console is required. Get the most out of each moment with blazing fast performance and next-generation graphics. Stay focused with a stunning display that features 50% more pixels than the original Quest. Or take a break from the action and grab front row seats to the live concerts, exclusive events, and more. The redesigned touch controller featured improves gaming and intuitive controls that transport your gestures, motions, and actions directly into the virtual reality. You can even connect your virtual reality headset to a gaming-compatible computer with Oculus Link cable to access hundreds of PC virtual reality games and experiences. Quest 2 also lets you bring your friends into the action. With live casting, you can share your VR experience with people around you, or meet up with friends in virtual worlds to battle in multiple competition or just spend more time together. With Oculus Quest 2, there's no end in sight to what you can play, create, and discover in virtual reality. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.